Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Banerjee. Dollar rupee made a surprising up move over the past two trading sessions. After giving an impression that it's going to break down and head towards 81.60, last two trading sessions it has bounced back and closed all the way up to 82.22 23 levels. Offshore spot is trading around 82.33. But यहाँ पे onshore open होता है, there is going to be a consecutive 2 days of gap up opening. Now, what is the way forward? But before we come to that, let's talk about the important event that happened last night, the Fed minutes. Fed minutes was on expected ground. It basically said that, or hinted that the Fed may be opting for another hike in July. The July end meeting is, the market is now pricing in कि Fed एक और 25 basis point hike करेगा. इसके वजह से the impact on the market was quite minimal, and dollar index was slightly higher, but nothing, no big moves happened in the market. US bond deals, especially the 10-year rose. Now USDINR mein, because of the slight upward drift in the US dollar index and a rise in the US bond deals, USDINR is showing a gap up opening. Now, there are a couple of reasons which could be driving the USDINR upward. There is a belief in the market that RBI may be intervening and buying dollars aggressively below 82, and that may have triggered a short covering from the speculators, demand from importers, and corporate demand for dollars as well. At the same time, there may be some demand of speculators coming in, so some long build up which is happening from the speculators, anticipating that 81.90, 81.80 के नीचे sustain नहीं हो रहा है, so placing a stop below on a closing basis below these levels, and some people may be going long. So because of all these factors, dollar rupee has seen a sharp reversal from the 81.75 levels all the way up to 82.22 23. Now, what is the way forward? It is, अगर ये upward momentum sustained हुआ, then dollar rupee can test the important resistance of 82.32. उसके ऊपर it can head towards 82.50. So 82.32 and 82.50 are the important levels to watch on the upside. Support levels के हिसाब से 82.15 और 82.18. So 82.15 और 82.18 के बीच is an important support level spot में. जब तक वो sustain हो रहा है, the trend is upward. उसके नीचे, then again we could see a drift down towards 82 or 81.90 levels. So people who are going long, maintain a stop below 82.15. उसके नीचे sustain हो रहा है, exit your longs. So how to trade longs? See, when the expected movement in the market is not much, what you can do is use in the money options instead of futures. क्योंकि futures में, if you're wrong, you will lose money as fast as you would make money if you're right. But in the money options, when you're wrong and then the market starts to fall, you will lose money at a slower rate because the delta is already below 1 and it will be becoming less and less. But when you are right and the dollar rupee rises, you will make money at a faster rate. So this is technically known as your long convexity. So your trade is convex. So you will make money at a faster rate and you will lose money at a slower rate. So look at in the money option, not too deep in the money, वो फिर illiquid हो जाता है. Look at slightly in the money options to trade as a proxy for the futures. Now short strangle फिलहाल should watch out whether dollar rupee is able to accelerate upwards or it basically is pulling back. If it is pulling back, then we would consider those strategies. At this point in time, we would not look at short straddle and a short strangle. We would see whether a new range develops or not. Cross currencies में Euro INR can be under slight pressure and GBP INR remains bullish. Yen INR could see a range bound price movement. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. A fantastic day.